In front of me is Realme Narzo N61, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to access system. Then keyboard and input method, on-screen keyboard and Gboard. Following that, hit text correction and use the switcher next to show suggestion strip to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!